Hello everyone. In my last session, I already discussed this manual printing method of your PCB design, how to make your PCB. After that, right now, this topic is very important. Okay, so let's start about what is PCB silk screen. Okay, so here you see I covered this lecture of silk screen. First is what is PCB silk screen. Okay. Then after that we discuss about the significance of PCB silk screen. Okay. What is its significance of silk screen? Third one is process of PCB silk screen. Okay, which is under the processing of using Eagle software. Okay, after this Eagle software we make PCB or circuit board layout. Okay, after that we preparation for PCB board. Okay, so after that silk screen printing we discuss handling procedure, inspection procedure. Okay, treatment of silk screen. Okay, that is the I discuss. Okay, later. So after that, the method of PCB silk screen. Okay, this is a manual printing, manual screen printing. Okay, that is the methods. Okay, so how can you make your silk screen? By this method, three methods. Okay, manual screen printing, liquid photo imaging. Okay, direct legend printing. Okay, so after that we discuss about this understanding the cost of PCB silk screen. Okay, so that is a very important. Okay, after that we discuss about a die PCB silk screen. Okay, so and my last section of this PCB silk screen. Okay, lecture how to choose PCB silk screen manufacturer. Okay, so that is we cover in we will cover this silk screen. Okay, so in my next PPT, you understand this covers these topics are covered. Okay, so in my next PPT, next slide we start about what is PCB silk screen. Okay, so here you see the silk screen printing. Okay, silk screen printing. Okay. So here you see here in my right side, here two boards are here. Okay, so first we discussed. Okay, so this board. Okay, topmost board you see here this board where my cursor. Okay. There is nothing. Okay, nothing means you see here a soldering mask. Only soldering mask are here. You see here this is called a soldering mask. Okay, okay, or like okay, this is a soldering mask. Okay, and like this like another something like symbol of your components. Okay, so here this golden color or silk color, this is a circuit component symbol. Okay, so here the silk screen are not completed here. Okay, so what is the mean of silk screen? Silk screen mean here your If you make your PCB properly and identify for better identify your PCB, okay, so that is some rules are there. Okay, first is the component name in PCB are added. Okay, then component values are added. Okay, next one is which company. Okay, you see here this board makes some company. Okay, so name of this company are you put here. Okay, in your PCB board. Okay, this is the cell screen. Okay, or yellow color. So you see here, it is the cell screen rule. Okay, so first you see here in my first point. Look at a PCB with all components and wiring placed on it. Okay, so here you see the component. Okay, wiring component are placed. Okay, it just look like a which requires more time to engineering to assess. Okay, so you can't understand. Okay, so which component are placed here in this position or in this position, in this position or in this position, in this position. Okay, so different position you can't identify. Okay, so for this better identify the component name you put or you add in your board right here. This is the soldering mask of this component. Okay, so under this bottom of this symbol you put the name of this component. Okay, or the value, some register or IC name. Okay, so that is the main process. But here is don't they are not added any name here. Okay, so here the very complex to identify or mass type to identify your component. Okay, so in my next point, what do you say? On the other figure shows another version of the design where components are identified along with essential points marked on the circuit. Okay, so here in my another PCB, okay, you see here this small name, okay, of black color. Okay, you see here RS, that is the 10K or something. Okay, that is the value 70 or 70 ohm 3V3. Okay, that is the name 5 volt means 5 volt. Okay, that is the main identifying your components where you put here this value of this resistor. Okay, resistance this resistance. Okay, so this value resistance. Okay, so that is the better understanding in your PCB board where your components are placed. Okay, so thank you. In my next session we will discuss about the system. Thank you.